Can ChatGPT actually fix my hair? I don't know, but I'm about to find out.
Hi, I am Jyot, and yes, I've officially given my hair care routine to ChatGPT. Now, this is either a genius move or the dumbest thing I've ever done. But if it works out according to my Gagan Chunti expectations, then it could seriously change the way we take care of ourselves. This AI ने सारा कुछ plan कर लिया, from oils to masks to foods to rinses, everything for a whole month. And मेरा task है to stay consistent. Amazing. And so I'm documenting all of it, the wins, the loses, everything. So hit subscribe and let's see where this goes. If we were to go back, कुछ देर पहला मैं notice किया that I had a huge patch in the back of my head. That was seriously very scary and depressing. So I've tried everything. I've tried oils, I've tried masks, I've tried different shampoos, all of it, and nothing worked. And yes, I've taken medical help as well, and they give me all sort of lotions, serums, oils, pata nahi ki kuch nahi ditta unhone. And yes, it was working. But the problem was, the moment I stopped using all of those products, I was back to square one. So my hair was still falling off. There was a lot of breakage, dead end, split end, frizz. And I've tried ignoring it, I've tried fixing it, and now I let AI take the wheel because my brain has officially left the chat.
So here is the deal with the 30 days hair glow up challenge. ChatGPT basically sat me down and gave me a full-on glow up blueprint for my hair. And I will be sharing my whole journey with you all. This is what we are starting with, okay? No filters, no fluff. I know it looks okay, but it's been through a lot. Honestly saying, length is not one of my major goals right now, but still, we're starting with 16 inches. And combing the tapa galli na kariye. The amount of stress it gives me. The hair fall is actually the main issue for me. Every time I comb my hair, I lose a hell lot of hair into my hands and on the floor. But still, we're gonna be consistent and gentle. Isliye, I will be doing everything Chat says to me for the next 30 days. It might look simple, but putting all this together has taken more thought than I expected.
Oh yes, and this laddu is the main part of the challenge. It's my mom's recipe. It's packed with proteins, it promotes shine and health of hair, improves the skin health, and it's plant-based. So if you want the recipe, comment down below. Well, that's the story so far, but it gets better. Because next video, which I will share the actual steps, real actions, and daily progress. So if you're curious to see how this AI routine works out for me, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down, and make sure to stick around because this is just getting started.